Sanbonani football lovers, welcome to Sporty Wongs. Please help me grow this channel by liking and subscribing to the channel. Tango, hayi silithwele idombolo singamakhosi. Hayi angifuni ukungasho. Abavele basale bayikhokhela indlondlo yamasi ngoba akusizi isihloko sibalekelana neqiniso. How can you miss such an opportunity but to praise ngeke bafethu? There's no way. How can you miss such an opportunity? There's no pressure. There's no vision that is blocked. The goalkeeper is not even in the goalpost. You just have to tap in. Hayi bafethu ngeke. Just look at how frustrated Umdu Die is because he did all the hard work, laid the ball to Dupreez, just tap the ball in, we go and celebrate. Hayi ngeke. Yazi Dupreez since wafika eNatural for all the seasons that he have played, kune goal nje alimixayo that is obvious. Just look, how can you explain such thing? Noma sekuthiwa uyazivikela ebantwini, how can you explain this miss? Hayi ngeke bafethu, ayikhokhelwe indlondlo yamanzi ngoba kuyogcina konakala kakhulu. But if Sipho Sidwell, I take back my words. I think ngathi so sidinga le goalkeeper, le striker coach, cause no ways. There's no way. Kahle kahle inkinga ukukora manje. Instead of us making our job easier by scoring away so that when we come back home, we relax, the pressure will no longer be on us. But now the pressure will still be on us because we let easy opportunities to slip away. How come? Because ngeke bafethu. But asikho lapho, I know many people didn't have access to this match, but izithole sesenza abangane le DRC abasivezela ama live streams ngamafoni wabo, so we're able to see the match. So all I can say ukuthi when I do this post match analysis, I'll say ukuthi overall we didn't have a bad game. Especially let's talk about the first half. The first 30 minutes it was Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs were good to see, especially not me say were good to see, but I can say with Kaizer Chiefs they were entertaining. The way we were playing, how we were progressing the ball, Ox being at the thick of things, trying to link up with Nkosing because this time was deployed as a number 10, not as a number 8. So number 8 Begundlovu. So I think no Oaks were there because of that physicality, so that they can be able to contest in that middle of the park because we are playing against strong players. So it was important for us to see when abantu was protector and make sure we win some of the battles that are beyond Ebola, but the physicality. So I can say with the first half, players like Upule Modi, Kanyisa Mayo could have scored, including Nkosing because they've got opportunities. And one thing I liked about this match is the fact that we are attacking using both flanks. You will see Modi trying to cut inside and shoot. I will see Lilepo doing the same thing on the right hand side. See Lilepo linking up with Mayo. Mayo got a chance, could have scored. It was good to see, but the thing is that whenever we are inside the 18 area, we are wasteful, as we all know. We are not utilizing our chances that we create. So it becomes pointless to create chances, but you won't score them. So I can say there were even interchanging of positions. Lepo would go to the left hand side, to Modi to the right hand side, and Modi would link up with Mayo. So Mayo was making sure that we link up play, and also he was making sure whenever he faced the goalpost he shoots. So it's just in Yoguti, it was not our day because their goalkeeper also made good saves. All I can say we are wasteful. We were wasteful because you could see Ungwabo was trying by all means to make sure that he create those opportunities. Every time when he receives the ball, he drives with it and try to dish out a champagne pass, a through ball. But our wingers at some point they are not positioning themselves in a way that it is dangerous to the opponents. That's why we would say the only option for us was to utilize Umayo because he could link up play so that we can join the attack. So we could see this game we had to make sure we limit making mistakes and we don't allow our opponent to have a lot of time on their a lot of time with the ball on their feet because they can decide what will they do. but in the first half I'd say it could have changed the game to the second half with the lead, but it couldn't happen. But we also have to thank Unchebe, because Unchebe made a crucial 1v1 save, and his positioning today, it was top notch, because some of the saves that he was making, even though they were routine saves, but you could say it was because of his positioning. He was always at the right time, at the right place. So that's why it was difficult kuti bamkore. Even though I can say with our defense at some point were sleeping on the job, because they will just play a long ball and they will try to place it between Ukwinika and Miguel, and if they were not on high alert enough, it would be difficult for us, because we could have chased the lead, but we made sure we regroup after that, and then let's try to push for that goal, because we started the game. I think Mtota was on the bench, Villa was on the bench, Duba was on the bench, Utele was on the bench. But one thing I liked about this, with the second half, the coach realized with umshini sekakhathele, umayo naye stamina ngathi samkhahlele, and then they've decided ukuthi sidonse umayo sifake uDuba, athi sidonse uNgcobo sifake uMdoda, because uMdoda ithe mangena, he was energetic as usual. Vele he was trying by all means to link up play and penetrate, because he was playing that role of a number 10 makuphuma uNgcobo. But manje it wasn't happening, because he couldn't have someone that can link up with him so that they can try to combine. But up until they've introduced Umfundo Vilakazi, whereby with they subbed Ulilebo Sokonaf, that's when we saw it, okay, now we are trying to create chances, because we are going at our opponents, and with the pace that we are going with, we could say they were already tired. It's just good besebayiqinisa, but these boys made sure they become the thorn in that defense, because even that chance Dupreez, it was created by Umfundo Vilakazi and Umdodai, because they linked up and then they passed it to Dupreez wakama ability. We understand ukuthi he's a quick player, he's fast, but endaweni enakanje kumele uyithele ngamanzi, because you only need just ukuthi relax, tap in, sambe so thatha ibhola enethini, so libeke center, and then we try ukuthi we decide ukuthi how can we score another goal. But nathi siphunyuke emlomeni wengwenya, because there was a chance that they've got it was our luck, because that player was offside, so it couldn't count. But you could see with the second half, this team made sure with they've realized with no, if you want to play narrow, we won't succeed, because the midfield is packed and it is compact. So it was difficult, because we were structured, because it could be difficult for them to penetrate up until they reach our defense. But they wanted to use wide channels, whereby they will exploit the space being left by Solomons, and they will try ukuthi ba outpace umlungu ngalega left. But they did, I think, very well, because they made sure ukuthi there's no threat that will come on their side, because every time whenever they were trying to switch play, they were alert to okay, let's mark these players, or make sure ukuthi we mark them. If we are not marking them directly, let's use the touchline that is going to mark them. So that's how we were able to consider. But AS Simba finally got their rhythm. I think second half Maizoqala, and on the end of first half, that's when we saw with okay, now they are trying to see with okay, now this team, we were able to read them with how do they play using Ungcobo and using Undlovu and Ox as that protector of back 4. But now into beseno kusibula ukuthi kuma Joel at some point we besingalunga, because kuma ground kuma Herald they were stronger than us, and they had more prowess than us, because you could see ukuthi they are tall and they are very strong. So it was a matter which we should use now a football intelligence instead of trying to match them in terms of his strength. But we manage. So asazi ukuthi masibuya eDobsonville nge26 ukuthi uzala ngomunye, but hayi bafethu ngicela ningizwiseni nami ukuthi lento yenza uDupreez ibizwana. Yebo siyageja kodwa ngeke kanje, angeke phela lento lena yiyacoshisa uChivaviro Naturena umduda yabaphasa kanje. Naku uDupreez naye safuna uzifaka naye kule list le. No bafethu, this is uncalled for, especially for a player like uDupreez. Hayi I don't know what do you think, but hey, this game, it was difficult to watch, to be honest, because it's just ukuthi nathi we were playing in patches whereby we were trying to combine, but the overall nje performance, I won't say ukuthi it was a good one, because we are playing on a artificial surface, so we are not used to that in Australia, but we had to acclimatize and make sure we adjusted to the conditions. But a good thing is that we didn't concede, so it is a clean sheet for us. So we don't know what mabafia ngapha bona, but the our mandate will be to score first, an early goal, and then we manage the game. But I don't know, what do you think? This is it for today.